I am now going to show you the tapping points that you will be using. The first tapping point is along the fleshy side of either hand, and it's called the karate chop point for obvious reasons. And you will be tapping here with the forefinger and index finger of the opposite hand. So you can tap here at least 7 times and all the corresponding points 7 times. Now the next point I'm going to show you is at the edge of the eyebrow. Either side again, it doesn't matter which side of the body you're working on. And you will tapping here just at the bridge of the nose on the edge of your eyebrow, and this is called the eyebrow point. And you will be tapping here again 7 times. And then you move on down around the eye, onto the side of the eye, on the bony point at the side of the eye, and just tap here 7 times. And the next point you'll be tapping on is under the eye, on the bony point under the eye, and just tap here again 7 times. And then under the nose point. And then we have between the bottom lip and the chin, in the middle here, is called the chin point. And you'll tap here again 7 times, just like I said. And the next point you'll be looking for is called the collarbone point. Now to find this point, you can run your finger down your neck to reach the top of your breastbone. And at the top of your breastbone, it goes off both directions towards your shoulder. And just as it begins to turn off towards your shoulder, there's a bony point that sticks out. And it doesn't matter if you're not touching your skin, because you can tap here through your clothing as well. And maybe like mine, it sounds a little hollow. And this is called the collarbone point. Now the next point you'll be tapping on is under the arm. And this is around the same area where a lady's bra strap would be. You tap here again 7 times. Now the last point I'm going to show you is on top of the head. And the area on top of the head you're looking for is where a child or a young girl may wear a hairband, just in the center there, and just tap there again around 7 times. And these are the points you will be using.